What is up, everyone? I hope you're having a great day. We're going to hop right into this tutorial and start with Tatcha water cream to moisturize before putting everything down. And just taking a second to let that dry. And then we're going in with Farsali Unicorn Essence as a little bit of a face primer. And then popping right in with It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. And I really love this stuff, guys. I'm using medium tan. And then going in with my favorite, NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Macadamia. And I'm just spot treating and using a little bit to highlight the high points of my face with, of course, my Beauty Blender. Nothing changes, guys, once you find your favorite. And then I'm going in to slightly bake with Becca Soft Light Blurring Powder, just around the areas that I highlighted. And then going right in with that contour with, of course, my Fenty Beauty Truffle Contour Stick. And y'all have seen this about 5-6 times now on my channel, but I just haven't found a product that I like better so far. And by the way, guys, this green stuff is avocado pudding. I really suggest it. And then going in with my Belle de Teint by Lancome. And I was so sad that the bronzer was broken, but I still used it. Your girl still found a way. So I'm just putting that around in the 3 kind of formation around my face, a little bit around my mouth, down my neck to make sure everything is the same color, and then I'm just brushing away that baked powder under my eyes and then along the high points where I had left it. Next, taking Luminoso Blush by Milani Cosmetics. I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks and then blending that out with my Beauty Blender so that all the colors come together seamlessly. And then taking, this is my new favorite highlighter by NARS. It's called Hot Sand, and I love that it's more of just like a natural glowy shimmer and not so much of a sparkle. And I'm just applying that to the high points and blending out again with my Beauty Blender, just so that everything kind of flows and all the colors move together seamlessly. And I'm applying Tatcha Face Mist just to kind of bring a little bit of moisture back into the skin because I am so dry. And of course, framing the face with those brows with my all-time favorite handy dandy Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And you guys know I always like to bring my little beauty mark back to life, and still going strong with that avocado pudding. That stuff is the bomb. Struggle bus. And now going in with Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette with Eden in the crease, and taking Amber onto the lid and very lightly diffusing that out because it is so pigmented, but that is a great thing. And now I'm taking Blood Moon, a little bit of a shimmer, into the more inner part of the lid, and then bringing Eden down to the lower lash line. And then taking a little bit of Amber and lightly dusting that on the outer lower lash line as well. Now I'm taking Oud and just placing that in like the outer V of my eyeball. Mind blank. And now I'm taking Desert Sand and placing that in the inner corner and the brow bone. And now I'm also taking a little bit of that NARS highlight again and placing that on the inner corner and the brow bone just to add a little bit of a shimmer. So now, as you see, I am torturing myself. Now I am just tight lining with a Urban Decay waterproof black eyeliner and, of course, mascara. Wow, you see the difference. And you've seen me use Sumptuous Extreme by Estee Lauder so many times. It's my all-time favorite. Now I'm taking just a little bit more of Oud and placing that just in the outer area of the lower lash line and doing a tiny little wing with liquid liner. And now the eyes and everything are done. Now we just got to do the lips. So I'm taking Kat Von D's lip liner in Bow and Arrow. and just lining the lips very nicely. And then taking also by Kat Von D the liquid lipstick in Ophelia and just highlighting the centermost area of my lips just to make it look slightly more pouty. And girl, you are good, but wait, there is more. Never mind. I'm taking a little bit of Laura Geller's, what is this? Gilded Honey highlighter and placing that just at the very, very, very highest parts of my face, on my shoulders, and on my collarbone, just to make this even more summery because, you know, your girl wants to be extra. And there we go, guys. We are all done with this super spicy, springy, summery tutorial. I hope this makes you feel like the warm weather is on its way because it totally did for me. And I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see ya. Bye.